Welcome to CJY Money Entertainments. I was asked to do a review on this product. Scott's Turf Builder Triple Action. It's supposed to kill and eliminate weeds, prevent crabgrass, and feed for thicker lawns. This covers 4,000 square feet, and this is about 11.31 pounds. It stops the crabgrass, other grassy weeds before it invades and feeds on the lawn. It does Kentucky bluegrass, perennial grass, fine grass, Bermuda grass. Okay, and the directions is it's recommended that you use a feed spreader and that you wet the lawn. So I wet the lawn, and you see all my weeds that's coming up, and the difference of the crabgrass. So I spread it down, and this is what happened within 24 hours. It turned certain spots like a yellowish and a brownish. It states after 24 hours to wet the lawn again, and I did. And then 2 weeks later, this is how the grass grew back. I see hardly no dandelions, very little crabgrass, and it's nice and thick and green. Ooh, I highly recommend it. If you want more information about this product, look in my description below this video. I purchased this at Lowe's.